Hello guys, we have a Nissan Maxima from a new customer who says that the car AC system blows warm. Looking at it, seems like they just got it into Nigeria or had this problem before it crossed the border. Everything looks very clean here. Trying to adjust the temperature settings. See reflected there. But still, I'm not getting any cold air coming out of these vents. They're all blowing warm. And right on the driver's side, you can see 19, so I take it all the way down. It's all blowing warm air. So I don't know if this problem actually came, it crossed the border with it, or it happened here. And so far, so let me go ahead and on the AC, reduce the temperature, the fan speed, and let's go over to the other side. See, the fan is speed up and really working, but if you look down there, I don't know if you can see it. The compressor is not picking up, so it could be that the compressor is fried. I'm looking at my gauge set here. There is a lot of pressure there, which shows there is a very decent refrigerant inside the system. As you can see, even as the fan is speeding, there is no sign that the compressor is actually working. It's completely dead. What I'm supposed to have done right now is to connect my dongle to it and check the codes which I'm going to be finding right there, but unfortunately being disconnected because the software which I'm using has expired and it needs to be updated. So right now I'm going to be billing him based on what I see inside the system and hope for the best if suppose he make a commitment. But in this case, what I'm looking at here could be two things. One is that the compressor has failed, and the other part is that the solenoid control valve has failed. It shouldn't be more than these two things here. I'm not thinking that it could be a thermistor related problem or high pressure sensor problem. It's not going to get away from these two based on what I'm looking at. But if suppose you have this kind of problem, you want to go ahead and check the pressure sensor and test the compressor and see if it's bringing power. For this car, the engine is seriously tight, so I can't start going to burn my hand with the heat that is right building up inside right now. So I'm gonna really, if I will have a cordiality, I'm gonna be requesting the customer to bring it up the next day so I can be able to take a look at it and start working on it from there. It has to be on a 0 degree level before I start working on it because the car is really down. The distance from the ground is really much. So it's something that I really need to take my time. And for in as much as the first customer, I don't want to make a mess for the first time, so I'm going to get it done first and get it done correctly. So for this very time, it's still blowing warm air. There is no cold air coming out of the vent, despite the fact that I've actually reduced the temperature all the way down. 18 is the minimum you can actually go. You can see on the both sides, and you can see the fan level. There is no restriction here. The fan is actually blowing that. You're gonna see that the compressor is working, but the system is not working. But here, the compressor is not responding. I've actually worked on this kind of car before, and the owner and I quote said have checked different places, but it's not actually concerning this kind of problem. So however it is, guys, I'm going to be keeping you guys updated. But if you have this kind of problem, feel free to drop me a comment below this video description, and I'm gonna attend to you as soon as possible. This is a serious piece of engineering from Nissan, I can attest, and if you have it, do take care of it very well. And the compressor is actually has clutch, but it's a variable displacement compressor. So if you listen to what I said previously at the context of this very video, then you should have it at the back of your mind that the truth can be no further from that. Thank you for watching. I hope to catch you guys later. This is Dr. Posible Fix. Bye for now.